excited today. We're talking to Matthew Stafford, owner and CEO of Build, Grow, Scale, which has been one of the, I'd say, top e-commerce education companies for quite some time, Matt. I feel like you've been in it for at least as long as I've been in the game.
I always say, what is the most important thing that you want them to do here? And they're like, buy. I'm like, okay, then don't make it hard for them to do that. Like, let's make it super simple, really, really obvious what the next thing to do is. So your main menu navigation should be your money-making links. Your search bar could be for them to find anything. And there's several different apps that work really good, that now have predictive search, and you can put in misspells and all the other stuff. The thing that will make you the most money the fastest is to fix your checkout in your cart. So you do those first, then every change that you make on your site translates into more money.
I'm gonna try to encapsulate what you do, and then maybe you'll fix it for me, okay?
Sure, sounds good.
You're something of an education and mastermind that teaches people how to optimize their e-commerce store at every stage of the process. How did I do there?
Our best referral sources are like venture capital firms and ads companies, because we help the site convert better, make more sales. They can scale media, etc. We don't compete with them.
For me, if you're watching this, or you're one of our subscribers, there's nothing more powerful you can do for yourself than build a community.
Right. Yeah.
And if you don't have a community, this is a good one.
Yeah.
Find one, but this is a damn good one. And the community should be in your niche. And Ecom is a pretty specific niche. So, I mean, you've already just overwhelmed us with value here. I think you've kind of established yourself